welcome to art class! Today we are going to draw one picture, that is 3D picture or stereoscopic picture like this. This shown like real. So we are going to draw this, and so we need only ruler, pen, and marker and eraser. So let's go to draw. Time to draw. First, you put your paper like this, and you draw two columns here, this part. So draw two columns with your pencil. It should be straight and somehow thick. It should be same length with opposite. And fold half. And open. And this time you have to know properly. So you should check this distance and somehow far from this column and make same distance here. So check again and put here. And this edge should be matched with this and this. So draw this also here. And also opposite side same. This edge should be met here. So make one line. Also apart. And this side is shadow and this side is real leather. So now you have to use this marker to separate properly. So draw as you on your and now you have to draw scaffolding. So from here and the one and the distance from one scaffolding and other scaffolding is okay, so you put anywhere. Yes. And there. Here, also opposite side. this time you draw scaffolding with pencil for shadows. And you make it same with this line. So you put it like this. Also here. Oops. Nice. And the line should be inside of these two columns. So yes, so now we finish to draw. So when you want to see, so you have to straight this part, and you have to see like this in your sight. You can see? Yes. Today we draw stereoscopic picture, that is letter. Was it nice? Now we're almost finishing our class here. But before we end, if you like this program or would you like to be part of us, you can SMS us through the number on your screen and give us call or send us picture what you learned in this class. Then I really appreciate to receive your feedback and prepare more interesting, fun things. And also we have Facebook page and YouTube. You can go and search GBS TV Africa. Then you can watch many other episodes, right? Until next time, bye!